we are going to learn chapter 11, force and pressure. The force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. Pressure is measured in pascals. Pressure is equal to force divided by area on which it acts. Unit of pressure is equal to Newton per meter square. Pressure refers to a force exerted on a surface due to the force of gravity or feet exert on the ground in the form of pressure. Force and pressure are related, but they are not the same thing. Greater the surface area on which the pressure is applied, lesser the pressure. Lesser the surface area, more the pressure. Here are some examples of pressure in daily life. School bags have wider straps. Buildings have wider foundation because wider foundation, less pressure on the ground. Sharp knife cuts better than blunt knife. It is easy to walk on the sand with flat shoes rather than shoes with sharp heels. The thick layer of air which is present around the earth is called the atmosphere. The pressure exerted by the atmospheric air is known as atmospheric pressure. Pressure exerted by liquids and gases. Pressure increases with depth, so the speed of water leaking from the bottom hole is larger than that from the higher ones, and also pressure exerted by water at the bottom of the container depends on the height of its column. Atmospheric pressure is the force of gravity on air in a column of unit area. A liquid exerts pressure on the walls of the container, and also gases too exert pressure on the walls of their container. Here, the glass is filled 1/3 of it with water. The cord sticks to the glass. This is due to air pressure. The air outside exerts an upward pressure on the index cord. This air pressure is more than the weight of the water in the glass. Horses pulling the hemisphere. Otto von Guericke, a German scientist of the 17th century, invented a pump to extract air out of a vessel. With the help of this pump, he demonstrated dramatically the force of air pressure. He joined two hollow metallic hemispheres of 51 cm diameter each and pumped air out of them. Then he employed 8 horses on each hemisphere to pull them apart. So great is the force of air pressure that the hemispheres could not be pulled apart. We know that there is a huge amount of atmospheric pressure on us. But why don't we feel that air pressure? We know that air is present everywhere. The pressure of air inside our body is the same as that of the atmosphere. Therefore, we do not experience its effect. Do you know the principle of watering the gardens through fountains of water? The water fountains work due to the pressure exerted by water on the walls of the fountain pipe. If further, it depends on the force by which water enters the pipe.